Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension with the help of which you will be able to preview your applications on mobile devices, tablet and desktop devices right in the VS Code itself. So if you're building a responsive application and if you want to try this before publishing it, there is a VS Code extension. Simply write mobile viewer. Go to the extensions tab, simply search for this extension mobile viewer and you will actually find out this extension, and it's fairly a new extension. It's developed by this person Aziz Aerodev. This is the icon. You need to install this one, not install other one. Simply install this extension. I've tried this extension and using it for past 6 weeks. It's a pretty good extension, lightweight. If you click the install, as you can see now it is successfully installed. And now simply go to the HTML file which you want to preview. So this is my file right here, and after that simply type the shortcut key Control Shift P. This will open the command palette and simply search for mobile viewer, and as you see this will come. Simply click open preview. So right here you need to paste the local URL where your server is running. So first of all simply start a local development server. So once you start your local development server, simply copy the address from the browser. Simply copy this and simply paste it right inside this screen in the URL tab. That's all. After that, click on go. And now your application directly opens. As you see side by side, you can actually compare the applications on different devices. So this is iPhone, different sizes you can select iPhone 12 Pro, XR, SE, Samsung Galaxy, tablets, iPad Pro. So from the drop down you can select iPad. So this will actually responsively actually show you how your app will look like on different devices. From here you can select Pixel 7. This is another company mobile phone. So this extension is quite insane guys. You can even zoom in. So it exactly shows you how your application looks. From this we can simply switch to Samsung Galaxy. So this is the Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Then we have iPad Air. This is the Apple tablet. We have different laptops. This is iPad Pro, Surface Pro. So on different devices, and we come to the all these laptops, desktops, tablets, Galaxy. As you see that, simply switch to all the devices and preview your application. So from here, it's a simple image to PDF application. From here, you drop all your images, and as you see, all the images will directly show. So you can see that you can zoom in as well. So it's completely responsive. You will see that. So basically you select the device and then it will show you the actual application on that device. So this will save you a lot of time guys, because before during development you will be able to see how your application looks in different devices rather than wasting time on different websites or opening it inside different mobile phones. So I personally love this extension during development time. It saves me a lot of time switching inside different applications. So this works with all the frameworks. If you're developing a React application, Vue application, PHP, so simply open your base file and simply paste the local development URL right here wherever your application is running, and then it will show you in different mobile sizes how your application looks like. So this is your extension guys, mobile viewer. Simply install this and start previewing your web applications in different mobile, tablet and desktops and different screen sizes directly. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.